Hi friends. Okay, so today we're going to finish our North America project. So yesterday you finished coloring in all of your pictures. Okay, so we're ready to cut out our pictures and glue them on our map. Okay, first I'm going to go ahead and cut right here to separate my labels from my pictures. Okay, I don't need my labels right now, so I'm going to put these out of my way. Now remember, when I cut out pictures like this, I go along the outside to cut all the scrap off first, and then I'm going to make a pile of my scraps and my project paper. Okay, there's my first scrap. Remember, keep your thumbs up when you're cutting. There's my second scrap. Turn your paper with your helping hand. Thumbs up. Scrap. Scrap. Okay, now I'm ready to cut out my project pictures. We will count our pictures at the end to make sure we have them all, but when we keep our work organized like this, we won't lose anything. When we keep our scraps in one pile and our project in the other, we won't lose any of our pictures. Okay, I have finished my cutting. Let me put my scissors to the side, and then I'm going to lay out my pictures and count them so I can see them. Alligator. This is my young deer that's called a fawn. Manatees and fish. Beaver. Cardinal. Mountain, and this is Mount McKinley. The sun. Leopard frog. These trees are very round, like a sphere, and I see the leaves are different colors. Deciduous trees. Deciduous trees. Soil. I made mine a grizzly bear, but yours might be a black bear. Okay, these trees are green and they're shaped like a cone. Coniferous trees, polar bear. There's my bison. And there is my lake. And this one is Lake Michigan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pictures. Okay, now we're ready to put them on our map. Let's start with our polar bear. Our polar bear lives way up north, where it's very, very cold. The polar bear lives where there's not a lot of trees. Remember, it said it was treeless because it's so cold. So we'll put this polar bear way up north in North America. And I remember way up north it's treeless, but in Canada and Alaska, they have lots of coniferous trees. So let's put our coniferous trees in Canada and near Alaska. It's still cold here, but it's not so cold that there's no trees. Okay, I see our bison, and I remember in the story that the bison lived in the prairie of the United States, in between the two mountain ranges. So I'm going to put this bison in the middle of the United States. Okay, a bear. Bears can be in so many places. Do you remember in the story when they were talking about the bear cubs learning to climb and they were in the Appalachian Mountains? I'm going to put this bear in the Appalachian Mountains. Let's see. Oh, Mount McKinley. Mount McKinley's in Alaska. That's our largest mountain in North America. Alaska. Let me put my glue on the back of this. That's easier. Okay, Alaska. I know manatees live in the ocean. And I'm going to put these down in the Gulf of Mexico, off Florida. In the ocean there. Okay. Let's see, what else do we have? Sun. I'm going to put the sun. You know what? I'm going to actually put the sun. I was going to put the sun up here, up way high in our map, but I remembered that up here it's very cold because it's not so sunny in the north of North America. But I remember as we go south, we get closer to the equator. And it gets really hot near the equator. So it's warm down in Mexico and Central America. I also remember the leopard frog that lives in Mexico. Mexico. I'll put the leopard frog in Mexico. Let's see what else we have. Ooh, Lake Michigan. That's north of us, about right here. Remember, there's 5 Great Lakes, and this one is Lake Michigan. A lake is a body of water surrounded on all sides by land. Okay, deciduous trees. Well, we have lots of deciduous trees in the United States. I'm going to put some deciduous trees right here in between Canada and the United States. Let's see what else we have. Soil. Soil can go anywhere on our map. I'm going to put soil in Canada here. Okay, I remember this is the Mississippi River. And beavers like to be near water. So I'll put our beaver near the Mississippi River. Okay, and let's see where our alligator can go. I know there's lots of alligators in Florida in the United States, so I'm going to put it right off the coast of Florida. Our cardinal is our bird in Ohio, in our state. So I'm going to put it near Lake Michigan and the grizzly bear. And the last thing we have is our deer. And I know that deer, there's lots of deer near us. Have you seen them at our school? They love to be near trees. So I'm going to put ours right here by the coniferous trees and the deciduous trees. Okay, all of my things, my pictures are now on my map. Roll your glue stick down and put the cap on, because we need to label parts of our map. We're going to label this. These labels are for biomes. Say biomes. Everywhere we learned about in North America has a special climate that all the plants and the animals are adapted to live in. So up north where it's very cold, there's no trees, and the animals can survive up there. Same with when you get down where it gets warmer and hotter from the sun's energy. The animals are adapted and the plants to live in that warm weather. So we're going to find out about our biome, which is a forest biome. And every biome has 6 parts. Let's see if we have 6 labels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can label the 6 parts of this biome. This says water. All biomes have water. So I'm going to put this wave symbol on my label to show me that it means water. This label says energy, and all life on Earth gets energy from the same place. The sun is our energy, and every biome needs energy from the sun. So I'm going to draw a sun on this label. Water, energy, plants. Let's draw a sprout. I'm going to draw a little hill with a line and 2 leaves coming out of it to show my... Oh, I drew that on the wrong place, friends. Hold on. I drew that on air. Don't make my mistake. Plants is on the top. A hill with a line and 2 leaves. There it is. Plants. Water, energy, plants. Now we can do air.
Miss Beth Schlick, come to my office immediately. Miss Beth Schlick.
Air. I'm going to draw 3 squiggle lines, like wind kind of air. Okay, and soil, I'm going to draw a hill, like a hill of dirt or soil. And last, it says animals. So you can draw any animal that you choose. I'm going to draw, I think I'll draw a bird for my animal. There's my bird's body. I'm going to draw 2 legs, a head with a beak, and wings. Okay, there's my bird for animals. Let's see all of our 6 parts. Water, energy, plants, animals, soil, air. We are ready to cut. So obviously I'm going to cut the outline to get all my scraps and put it in my pile of scraps. All the way off. Okay, all my scrap paper's off. Now I'm ready to cut out my labels. And I already know how many we're going to have because all biomes have 6 parts. Animals, water, energy, soil, plants, and air. Okay, we're ready to glue down our labels. I always start with energy because without the energy from our sun, we would not have life on Earth. We have to have energy in every biome. Energy is the most important part of our biome. Okay, energy. Water. Where could I put water? I'm going to put it right down here where the Panama Canal is, because I know that ships can go through that water canal to get from the Pacific Ocean to the Atlantic Ocean. Air. Air is all around us, so I can put air anywhere. I'm going to put it up at the top where there's lots of space. Air. Let's see. Animals. There's lots and lots of animals on our map. So I'm going to put it right here where I have space next to my leopard frog. Animals. Plants. Plants. Well, I see lots of plants here with the trees. So I'm going to put my plants label right near my trees and the trees that are right underneath my Mount McKinley picture. There's lots of plants. Plants. And the last thing I'm going to label is soil for my biome. And I see soil right here on my map. So I'm going to label soil. Okay, let me roll down my glue and put my cap on so it doesn't dry out. And I'm ready to show you my finished project. Wow, I learned so much about North America. Let me see if I can show all of my 6 parts of the biome, starting with energy. Point to energy on your map. Point to water on your map. I see the Mississippi River, which is also water, and Lake Michigan is water. Show me an animal on your map. Lots of different animals. Show me a plant on your map. Show me air. All around is air. Show me soil on your map. Should we get all of the parts? Let me count. Energy, water, animals, plants, soil, air. That's 6. That's right, all biomes have 6 parts. Great job, friends. I cannot wait to see your finished projects. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow where we'll talk about bison and buffalo. Bye, friends.